Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. If you're planning to buy an electric scooter in 2026, this is a video you don't want to miss. Bajaj has refreshed the iconic Chetak with new features, improved technology, and a more premium riding experience. In today's video, we'll take a look at what's new in the 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric, its design, features, performance, battery range, and whether it's worth your money. So let's get started. Design and styling. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak continues its retro modern design that has made it one of the most stylish electric scooters on the road. It features a solid metal body, premium paint quality, sleek LED lighting, and elegant curves that give it a classy appearance. Bajaj has also introduced fresh color options and subtle styling updates, making the scooter look even more refined while retaining its iconic identity. Performance and battery. Powering the new Chetak is an upgraded electric motor paired with an improved lithium-ion battery. The scooter offers smooth acceleration, silent operation, and effortless city riding. Bajaj has also focused on enhancing efficiency, allowing riders to enjoy a longer riding range on a single charge, while maintaining reliable everyday performance. Range and charging. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Chetak is its improved battery efficiency. Depending on the variant and riding conditions, the scooter delivers an estimated range of around 150 to 170 kilometers on a full charge. Charging is also more convenient, with support for faster charging compared to previous models, making daily commuting easier than ever. Features and technology. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak comes packed with modern features. It includes a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth support, call and message alerts, ride statistics, and over-the-air software updates. Riders also get multiple riding modes: reverse mode, keyless operation, anti-theft security, and regenerative braking for better efficiency, ride quality, and safety. Comfort remains one of the Chetak's strongest points. The scooter offers a well-cushioned seat, telescopic front suspension, and a balanced chassis that delivers a smooth and stable ride. Safety features include disc brakes with CBS, bright LED lighting, strong regenerative braking, and a durable all-metal body that adds confidence on the road. Expected price. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric is expected to be priced between R110 lakh and Rs140 lakh ex-showroom, depending on the variant and features. With its premium build quality, improved range, and smart technology, it aims to compete strongly in the growing electric scooter segment. Final verdict. The new 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric successfully blends classic styling with modern technology. It offers premium build,